We know that climate change needs to be addressed urgently. Industrial processes contribute to over 70% of the environment harming emissions, also known as greenhouse gas emissions. Today's AI technology is capable of monitoring emissions down to the individual machine with complex mathematical models. Explainable AI uses root cause analysis to suggest corrective actions when machine performance anomalies are detected. This means that a manufacturer knows exactly how well a machine is working, when it may need maintenance, and what level of emissions it is generating at any point in time. By making such data available to every processing unit, every link in the value chain can become better optimized to make them more economically and ecologically sustainable. This data empowers you, the consumer, to easily discover the environmental damage caused by any product you purchase, be it a pair of denim or a pack of frozen food. Unless you, as the consumer, don't decide to prioritize the purchase of products that are less harmful to the environment, the manufacturers don't have an urgency to transform their industrial operations to make them environmentally sustainable. We at Eugenie uncovered the data that gives you the power to make the right decisions as a consumer. The collective power of consumers is what will ultimately nudge manufacturers to do the right thing and reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. So, use the intuitively presented emission data by Eugenie to shape your buying behavior. Do this today because tomorrow might be too late.